over here. All right, round two. Ding, ding, go. Get him. Get him. Round two. Go, Xena. Put her down. Get her, Xena. Get her, Bella. Oh, my God. It goes on all day. Look at all the blood and guts. Get him, Xena. Come on. Show him what a killer pit bull you are. Get her. Get her. Get her, Bella. Put her down. Get her, Xena. Get her, Xena. Aww. The fight ain't over. Fight that flea on your ass. Get her, Bella. Are you vicious? Yep, pit bulls are definitely vicious, not the animal you want to have in your house. They could turn on kids or other animals in a heartbeat. Get her, Xena. Get her, Bella. Don't let her do that to you, Bella. Get her. Ten seconds. 10 seconds. Come on, get it. Get it. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And who won? Who won? Hey, break it up. Break it up. Hey, that's it, man.
Hey.
Hey, fight's over. Who won?
I was trying to sleep.
Did you win, Xena? Did you win? Who won? Tell who's the champion. God, just trying to go for kisses. Kisses. How about you, Bella? You did good? Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. No, don't chew my finger. You a killer pit bull, Xena? A killer? Yeah.